Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this yellow shaded red triangle BDO fully confined in a blue square ABCD. And the blue square ABCD itself is fully inscribed in a semicircle with the center O, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this red triangle has been given to us as 8 centimeter square. And now our task is to calculate the area of this semicircle. And once again, please bear in mind that we are dealing with this blue square ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this blue square ABCD. So therefore, all its side lengths are equal in length. And furthermore, AB is the chord. And in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular OP on this chord AB. And now let's recall the perpendicular bisector theorem. According to this theorem, if a radius of a circle is perpendicular to the chord, then the radius bisects the chord. So no wonder this perpendicular OP bisects this chord AB into two equal segments, AP and BP. In other words, this segment equals to this segment, and likewise this segment OD is going to be equal to this segment OC. In other words, this segment and this segment, they are equal in length. So therefore, if I label this segment as X, then this segment has got to be X as well. And likewise, this is going to be X and X as well. So therefore, this whole side length CD of this blue square is going to be X plus X is going to give us 2 times X. So therefore, this side of this blue square is going to be 2 times X, and likewise this side is 2 times X as well. And now let's focus on this yellow shaded red triangle BOD, whose area has been given to us as 8 centimeter square. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And now we can see the base of this yellow shaded triangle is X, whereas the height of this triangle is 2 times X. And the area is 8 centimeter square. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So we got area as 8 equals to a half times our base is X, whereas the height is 2 times X. And here we can see 1 divided by 2 and 2, they cancel each other out. So therefore, we conclude that X times X is going to give us X square equals to 8. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking the square root on both sides. So therefore, our X value simply turns out to be 2 times the square root of 2 centimeter. So thus we conclude that this segment OD, which is X, and our X value is 2 times square root of 2. So therefore, this segment length turns out to be 2 times square root of 2, and likewise OC length is 2 times square root of 2 as well. And likewise this side length 2 times X is going to give us 2 times X value is 2 times square root of 2, that is going to give us 4 times the square root of 2. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle BCO. And bear in mind that this angle is our 90 degrees angle, since we are dealing with this blue square. And furthermore, let's make an observation. We can see that this OB represents the radius of this semicircle. I'm going to label this radius as lowercase r. And now our task is to find the value of this radius lowercase r. So therefore we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is lowercase r, whereas our two other legs are 2 times square root of 2 and 4 times square root of 2. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 2 times the square root of 2 whole square, plus likewise 4 times the square root of 2 whole square equals to lowercase r square. Let's simplify. That is going to give us 8 plus this is going to give us 32 equal to r square. So therefore r square value simply turns out to be 40. So thus our r square value simply turns out to be 40. And now we are going to calculate the area of this whole semicircle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi r square, where lowercase r is the radius. And since we are dealing with this semicircle, so therefore the semicircle area is going to be simply pi divided by 2 times r square. And we already figured out our r square value as 40. So I'm going to substitute that value 40 over here. So therefore we can write pi divided by 2, and I'm going to replace that r square value with 40 over here, and that is simply is going to give us 20 times pi centimeter square, the area of the semicircle. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of the semicircle turns out to be 20 times pi centimeter square, and that's going to be approximately equal to 62.83 centimeters square as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.